Today, we are not talking about a new chatbot, a new app, or a flashy AI demo. We are talking about power, energy, and control. Alphabet, Google's parent company, just made a $4.75 billion acquisition that signals where the real battle in AI is headed next. They acquired Intersect, a company specializing in AI, energy, and data center infrastructure. This deal is not about software innovation. It is about who controls the backbone of artificial intelligence. And if you understand what this means, you will understand where AI and the tech economy is going next. Alphabet's acquisition of Intersect gives Google direct ownership and control over energy-focused infrastructure built specifically for large-scale AI data centers. Why does that matter? Because modern AI systems, especially large models, do not run on laptops or standard servers. They run on massive data centers consuming enormous amounts of electricity, cooling, and compute resources. AI is now so energy-intensive that power availability has become a limiting factor. In simple terms, you can have the best AI models in the world, but without reliable, scalable energy, you cannot run them. Alphabet didn't buy Intersect to improve search results. They bought it to secure AI survival and dominance. This acquisition reveals something critical. AI is no longer just a software race. It is now an infrastructure arms race. Big tech is realizing that whoever controls energy supply, data center capacity, cooling systems, power efficiency, controls the future of AI deployment. We are entering a phase where energy is the new compute. That is why companies like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and Nvidia are all investing aggressively in power generation, grid partnerships, nuclear, renewable, and hybrid energy solutions. Private infrastructure ownership. Alphabet is moving upstream, eliminating dependency on outside providers. This is vertical integration, AI at an industrial scale. For the AI industry as a whole, this deal changes the rules. First, it raises the barrier to entry. Smaller companies may have great ideas, but if they cannot afford infrastructure at scale, they cannot compete at the highest level. Second, it signals that AI growth is now constrained by physical resources, not imagination. Talent and algorithms matter, but power availability, cooling efficiency, and uptime matter just as much. Third, it explains why AI costs are not going down as fast as many people expected. Running advanced AI models is expensive, and energy is a major reason why. This is why subscription prices rise, API costs fluctuate, and compute access becomes tiered. Infrastructure is the hidden cost of intelligence. If you are new to tech or AI, here is the key takeaway. AI is not magic. It is machines, electricity, and scale. Every AI tool you use, from search to image generation, depends on power grids, data centers, physical infrastructure. Understanding this helps you make smarter career choices, understand why certain companies dominate, recognize where future jobs and opportunities will appear. AI is becoming less about coding in a bedroom and more about industrial-scale systems. For experienced professionals, this acquisition confirms several trends. Infrastructure engineers will be as valuable as AI researchers. Energy-aware computing is becoming a core discipline. Optimization at the hardware and systems level will define competitive advantage. If you work in cloud, DevOps, data engineering, systems architecture, AI operations, your relevance is increasing, not decreasing. The future AI leaders will be those who understand how software meets physics. Here is the actionable insight you can apply immediately. Whether you are building a startup, a career, or a product, think infrastructure first. Ask yourself, what does this scale require? Where are the bottlenecks? What dependencies could break growth? The winners of the next tech wave will not just build smarter tools. They will build systems that can survive at scale. Alphabet understands that. And now, so do you. This is not just an acquisition. It is a roadmap. AI's future will be powered, literally, by infrastructure. If you want to stay ahead of the next wave, this is the story you need to understand.